Now we will study scope of e-business. The scope of e-business is quite vast. Almost all types of business functions can be carried out over computer networks such as production, finance, marketing, and personal administration, then managerial activities like planning, organizing, and controlling. We can also understand the scope of e-business by understanding the people or parties involved in electronic transactions. A brief discussion of various constituents of e-business and inter and intra transactions among them is given as below. First is B2B e-commerce. Here, e-commerce transactions take place between two businesses and hence the name B2B. B means business. That is online businesses transactions between a manufacturer and wholesaler or a wholesaler and retailer. In this picture, it has been shown that a wholesaler places an order on the company's website, and after receiving the consignment, the seller sells the product to the final consumer who comes to buy the product at wholesaler's retail outlet. B2B transactions are the backbone of automobile industry. A car manufacturing company requires a large number of components such as tires, batteries, lights, door locks, etc. Many such components are usually manufactured by various companies and sold directly to automobile manufacturer. A network of computers is used for placing orders, monitoring production, and delivery of components and making payments. A book publisher can purchase paper online from a paper manufacturing company. Such type of B2B transactions do not take place only in the automobile industry but in each and every type of industry. Service providers also engage in B2B transactions. Companies specializing in housekeeping and industrial cleanup often sell these services exclusively to other businesses rather than individual customers. IndiaMart is India's largest B2B marketplace connecting buyers with suppliers. While many of us purchase online as consumers, we are unaware that worldwide B2B digital commerce sector is bigger than the B2C market. Now we discuss B2C e-commerce. B means business and C means customer. As the name implies, B2C business to customers transactions have business firms at one end and its customers on the other end. B2C e-commerce means transactions between online retailers and their customers. A customer can view products on the website of the business organization and choose a product and order the same. Website will send a notification to the business organization via email, and the organization will dispatch the product to the customers. Some companies operate as both B2B and B2C businesses. For example, an events management company may offer wedding organization services and at the same time may also provide conference management services to other businesses. Consumers these days are becoming very choosy. They require tailor made products which suit their requirements. They also want the convenience of delivery and payment at their pleasure. With the onset of e commerce, all this has become a reality. Further, B2C e commerce has enabled the companies to conduct online surveys to ascertain who is buying what and what the customer satisfaction level is. In case of B2C e commerce, business firms carry out extensive market research to find out the needs and preferences of the customers and also use social media marketing, email marketing, and advertising to attract the customers. Now, we will learn about consumer to consumer e-commerce, that is C2C e-commerce. In this case, business originates from the consumer and the ultimate destination is also consumers. Thus, the name C2C e-commerce. C2C represents a market environment where one customer purchases goods from another customer using a third party online platform. This is the third party online platform, and this is the first customer, and this is the second customer. This is one is the seller and other is the buyer. C2C business model helps consumers to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycles, etc., or rent a room by publishing their information on the third party platform or website. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. Another consumer may opt to buy the product of the first customer by viewing the post or advertisement on the website. C2C e-commerce has gained popularity with the arrival of internet and companies such as eBay, Quicker, OLX, etc. Now, intra-B e-commerce. This refers to the electronic transactions between the different departments or divisions of the same business firm. Hence, the name intra-B e-commerce. They use intranet. It is largely due to use of intra-B commerce that today it has become possible for the firms to go in for flexible manufacturing. Use of computer networks makes it possible for the marketing department to interact constantly with the production department and get the customized products made as per the requirements of the individual customer. D-Brand, a Toronto-based company, provides customer with customized service. Computer-based interactions among the various departments of the same firm lead to efficient inventory, proper cash management, greater utilization of plant and machinery, effective human resource management, and effective handling of customers' orders. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.